I think the one thing which I've found some people do is find people who you disagree with the most and actually spend time with them, because what ends up happening is, obviously you have a strong belief in what you're doing. You will always look for confirmation bias. That's an easy one. But is there somebody who you actually disagree with? At least force yourself to spend time, and it may not be an actual person. It may be somebody who is in, let's say, writing something. Then read what he's saying. So, for example, some of the smart investment managers, let's say if they are bulls, they actually read the bear story a lot just to make sure that they are prepared. I think who your competition can be actually is very, very difficult to say. And I'll make it somewhat more real. See, everybody talks about what happens if Google enters this industry. I mean, that's fine. But imagine, would Nestle or ITC have thought that Patanjali would come out with noodles? I mean, impossible. 1.5 years.
Yeah.
I mean, who would have thought about it? And it can just come up from the most unlikely sources. So I think there is just keeping an eye out for what's happening, looking at people who disagree with you, spending time with that, thinking what could be different. I think that's just from a practicality piece perspective very helpful.